Good morning. This is Yitzhak Ruderman. It's February 2nd, 2021. We're in Brooklyn, New York, USA. And we've just had our first major snowstorm of the season. This is the view from my house looking eastwards. Those are my neighbors. And here's the snow in front of my house. We have not been out since Sunday. Today is Tuesday. So the snow kept falling from Sunday night through Monday, all the way to Tuesday morning. And let's take a little closer look and see what's going on. To all my friends in California and Australia, Israel, South Africa. This is what a snowstorm looks like in Brooklyn. I have to dig out. You can see my neighbor has cleared. They have a snowblower. That's a motorbike. This is our little driveway, one of them. And this is a pile of snow that's accumulated from the clearance of my neighbor's and mine driveway, one of the driveways. This is about 5 foot. And I'm going to show you looking south. You can see people clearing out their cars. And this is looking north. And this is looking west at my house. Here's the pile of snow. And what you're seeing also is the result of the snow plows. It's basically garbage trucks that they put plows on the front and they plow the snow so it piles up on the side, and it just punctured hits my side of the house, so I have more to dig out. I'm going to see how it goes. Now you have an idea of what it looks like. This is February, and I just want to show you, across the street from me there's a shul. If you can see, it says Kahal Beis Yitzchak Hasidish Shtibel, also a yeshiva there. And these are the American cars here in Brooklyn, all piled up in snow. Here comes a car. I have to get out of the way. Yes, just splished me with some snow. And headed back to the house. I have to clear all the stuff. My neighbor's snowblower added to the accumulation. And that's pretty much it. One more panning around. And that's it. Let's head inside. My mezuzah. The view from inside, and that's